Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to reset all settings Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. This process will reset all preferences, settings, and workspaces in Premiere Pro. It will not affect your project files, media, or any other data. However, you may need to reconfigure some settings, such as scratch disk locations and keyboard shortcuts, after resetting the preferences. To reset all settings in Premiere Pro, you can follow these steps. Press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard in Windows, to launch the Premiere Pro. If you are in a Mac, you need to hold on the Option key while opening Premiere Pro. It's important to hold the Alt key while appears the Reset Preferences dialog box. When the Reset Preferences dialog box appears, release the Alt key. A message will appear asking if you want to reset the preferences. Click OK. Premiere Pro will launch with all preferences reset to their default values. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll do our best to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks again for your support, and see you in the next tutorial.